Honey, I'm taking a picture of you playing with it. You want to show how you make your special chopstick thing?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Do like fold it in half.
Yeah.
And then start making the triangle. Fold it this way, so it's like this. Okay?
Okay.
The other side has a diagonal line.
Uh-huh.
So what you do is, with the diagonal line, fold out. Fold out. And then you can do this again. Do this again.
Alright, I'm going to come in for a close-up.
So this diagonal is still here, the line. So what you do is you fold it, and then fold it,
And then the tricky part.
fold it. So right now you have a triangle. Once you have a triangle, you do this way.
Okay.
This side, and then open it up.
Okay.
After that, put this in the chopstick.